Hello everyone, today I got a new product for review. This is a digital microscope from Andonstar called AD246SM. This microscope has three different lenses. The first lens called Lensity is used to view coins and other objects with a magnified clear view. The second lens is called 𝗩𝗂𝗂𝗋, which can be used for PCB repairing, assembly and soldering. The third lens called Lensity is used for biological observation such as cells, insect legs, microscopic organisms, etc. So let's get started and learn more about this board in detail. Welcome back. I received this partial 2 days ago, and I will unbox and do the assembly process. After removing all the packaging, I first checked in this manual. This manual explains about features and capabilities of this microscope. It also explains the assembly process. Well, it can be quite useful in learning about the microscope, especially when it is completely new to you. After unpacking all items, I found so many components inside the box. This is a 7-inch HDMI screen used for visualization. There are buttons for setting and control. We will take a look at that later on. At the back of the monitor, the lens handle can be moved upward and downward for adjustment. A lens called Lensity, which is 18-720 lens and comes attached to the monitor by default. And this lens focus is adjustable by rotating this part. This is the other box, which has two other lenses. This is Lensity, which is an 1800-2040 lens. This is used to view biological microscopic objects. This one is 𝗩𝗂𝗋𝗋, which is a 60-240 lens. This is used to view PCB during assembly and repair. This is the photoelectric light source, used to provide sufficient lighting for the microscopic view of biological objects. This is the beam, where we attach and assemble all the parts. It is provided with screws for adjustments. This column is used for stand and monitors attachment. Then we have other small mechanical parts for assembly. To power the light source and microscope, we can use this cable. It has a few USB type ports and USB ports for supplying power. The 5V DC adapter is provided to convert AC to 5V DC. These are some extra cables like HDMI to HDMI cables and also USB to micro USB cables. This is the bulk box to keep some samples or insects. The box has a remote which can be used to control the microscope using IR signal. These are some biological samples or slides kit which I will show you after assembly. The biological samples are basically cells and organs for microscopic animals. The 32GB SD card also comes with the package. This can be used to store images and videos. We have a few other smaller mechanical hardware. This is the base for the entire microscope. It has two LED lights whose intensity can be controlled. Alright, let's move to the assembly process now. First, put the column over the base and rotate it until it gets tightened. Then unscrew this holder and insert in the column. Then tighten this as well. Now insert this main beam into the column. Now let's connect this monitor. To do that, we need to remove the lens first. Then put it into this big hole. Then tightly screw it. Once this is done, put back the lens again. Tightly screw the lens. Here are some parts used for holding the sample. This is optional and you may not need this anyway. In case you want to assemble this as well, this process is simple. Now let's connect the power supply. So we have 3 ports here. The micro USB port goes to the monitor. So connect it here. This part goes to the base of the microscope. This connection is used to power the LED. Finally, USB port goes to the USB adapter. So after connecting the power, the LED will lighten up. Let's see the operations now. First, remove this plastic covering from the screen. This is the dimmer cable which has 3 buttons. The button is used to turn the on-off microscope and also to control the LED intensity. In order to record videos and take photos, insert this SD card at the back of the microscope. Now, our microscope is ready to use. Let's use this with lens L. This lens is 60-240 lenses with a focus range of 90 to 300 mm. Just connect it to the microscope. Here I got PCB. I will observe the PCB. So here you can see how clear the PCB tracks and components footprint looks like. The frame rate it can offer is 120 fps. Not only viewing the PCB, but you can use this to assemble your PCB with all the SMD components on it. In fact, I completed some of my projects using this microscope. Let's check the other lens now. This is the Lensity with an 1800-2040 lens. The focus ranges it offers is 4 to 5 mm. Just unscrew it and remove the previous lens and connect this lens to the microscope. We need to slide the monitor downward as the focus distance is just 4 to 5 mm. For this lens, we need to provide backlighting. So use this lighting source and place it in the lens part. And of course, you need to supply power to it as well. Here is the honeybee wing sample. I will check it now. Put the sample on the holder and adjust the lens focus. So now you can see how clear the wings are and it looks awesome under a microscope. Similarly, this is the sample on an onion slice. You can see the cell here. Also check other samples as well. This is the honeybee legs. This is the eye of some insect called Musca domestica. And finally, this is one of the pine seed sample. It looks interesting here. This is the lens called Lens A, which is an 18-720 lens with a focus range of 12 to 320 mm. We now need to adjust the microscopic distance again. So pull it up and adjust the distance. I placed $1 coin here for observation. So after adjusting the focus, you can clearly see the coin in a very detailed way. Not only the queen, but you can also see something like PCB and other objects under this lens. Finally, there are some other functionalities supported by this microscope. The first button on this microscope is used to switch on-off. There are various settings and options that you can adjust using these buttons. The resolution, quality, sharpness, white balance, color, ISO and all other features can be manually configured. You may record the videos using these buttons. The video recording is in MP4 format and has 2880x2160 UHD 24 FPS resolution. The maximum frame rate you can set up is 120 FPS. You may take the screenshot or capture images. The photo resolution is 5600x2400 and the format it uses to store is JPG. All these functionalities can be controlled using this remote as well. You need a pair of batteries to operate this remote. Next thing is the microscope can be connected to your PC system as well. Then, by using the same setting and system software, you can observe the output on your computer. There are so many mathematical tools to calculate the distance and so many patterns. You may find all details in this software. Alright, you may order this microscope from Amazon or AliExpress from the official Andonstar store. I have given the purchase links in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next